got ball, which is double roundhouse, low, high. The first kick is going to go to the knee. Second one is as high as you usually head level if you can, but if not, body is fine as long as there are two separate levels. We don't want 1, 2. All right. So we want to make sure, once again, we've been talking about the pivot. Let's review. Pivot on the heel, body nice and straight, hips are lined up. Now from here, first thing we're going to do, we always have to chamber. A big mistake a lot of people make is they do this when they do a low round kick. There's no recoil, nothing. They do this. So the first thing we want to think about is return and up. Notice it's tight. Knee points to where the target is. So what happens is a lot of people get the knee up and their knees up here, their target's down there, and they slap down. We're losing a ton there. So we want to make sure we turn the foot. I watch the knee up. It's chambered high. Then I point to the target. Then I go down. Now for our second one, we're going to talk about recoiling the knee tight as we can and snapping it to the head. Let's do that one more time. We're going to turn and watch. Toes back, hitting with the ball. Bend the knee. Once again, the knee comes up, facing the target, strike. Down, under control. Try not to ever fall. So we want to make sure we get that nice recoil back. That snap. You hear that? Pop. So let's do it from the other side. We turn. We pick the knee up. Notice it's pointing at the target. Toes back. Recoil all the way back. Knee faces the target. Strike. Recoil back. Down. One more time, a little faster. To the front. Same thing. Notice every time I'm thinking about that snap, that recoil, every time.